This is the Vikos Gorge. Up there is Mikro Papigo, and down there is the Voidomatis River. And this is an enormous gorge here. Good morning, day 4 of our riding adventure here in Papigo in Greece. As you can see, it's raining and it's gray. So it's change of plans, as we were informed this morning, and we're not going to ride off-road, but we're going to wait just a bit for the weather to clear and head up to the lookout point over Vikos Gorge, and from there we're going to ride to Metsovo through the highway. I wouldn't call it a highway, it's a road. Look how foggy it is. You can't see anything behind me. Well, it's raining today, change of plans. איזה צהוב אתה. זוהר בחושך. So it's gonna be wet. We're gonna ride down a bit. Bye, thank you. So we are leaving this nice hotel here in Papigo. We're going to wait up for Moshe. So we're going to ride through the streets of Papigo. Wait up for the rest of the team. And ride all the way down to the Voidomatis River and this nice bridge. Had to wait up a couple of minutes. Hello, dog. So it's the way to the lookout point over Vikos Gorge, and then it's gonna be the way by the road to Metsovo. Change of plans, something nice as well. Goodbye, nice coffee shop, Menta Cafe. I have to be careful. We have enough time to ride slow enough at these twists and turns. Well, I have my phone tucked away in my jacket, so I don't know what's up ahead, but I remember it was twists and turns yesterday, so I'll be careful. Very careful, I don't mind. Have a look at this stunning view here with the clouds on the mountain above. Wow. Well, I don't know how much visibility we're gonna have from the other side of the gorge, but you know what? It's fun. Well, another turn here. I think this is before the twists and turns, 8 or 7 we have up ahead. Wow. Well, at least I'm nice and warm, tucked away under layers of thermal gear and water protection against the rain. So I don't mind. Above the river, above and over the river, this is a really beautiful spot, very well known here. It's overcrowded in summer. Bridge of Papigo, Voidomatis River. Yes, we know these. Well, I think it's I don't know if it's all the way back to Aristi. I don't have the map open, but in one of the villages we're going to take a left turn up to the lookout point. So we rode through the beautiful village of Aristi, and now it's going to be a road. You know what? This is the first time for me. I don't know why, but last time I didn't ride all the way to Vikos. I was here 9 years ago with my family. Ooh, some potholes. Warned the guys behind me. But it's going to be really nice. Oh, I see it's going to wind up all the way there, I guess. Wow. Woo! So Papigo is on the other side. I don't know if you can see the twists and turns there. Aristi on the left, Papigo and Mikko Papigo on the other side. You can see the twist and turn there. Wow, unbelievable. Well, even in such a rainy day, it's still fun. And we have a nice surprise up in Metsovo. And Metsovo, or Metsovo, I don't know how you pronounce it, is a great place to buy mountain honey. This area is famous, and Ciforo. Ciforo is like ouzo, but it's made of, it's like a kind of a brandy. It's made of grapes. It's like the Georgian chacha. Well, chacha is like fuel. 2 shots and you're sky high. I guess Ciforo is the same. I guess it's around 35-40% alcohol. Well, up to now we only had ouzo during dinner. On the left is a twist and turn road, and then is a road which goes all the way straight. Let's wait for an opening, and I can see, I think it's Mikko Papigo up above there. Wow, this is an annoying rain. So this is a village of Vikos. View of Vikos on the right side here. Okay, and I guess we will stop here. It says no camping, but look at this nice coffee shop here and the church. Well, let's set up our parking lot here. Ooh, what a nice view here. Well, I guess everywhere here is okay. אין כמו מתחת לעץ. אין, הכי חכם אתה. So, this is the Vikos Gorge. Up there is Mikko Papigo. And down there is the Voidomatis River. And this is an enormous gorge here. So we headed back to the motorcycles through Kipi all the way to Metsovo. Rami, don't be shy. Nice here. I'm gonna just ride around this enormous tree here. So we are leaving Vikos, and next stop is gonna be Kipi, Zaguria area. Ooh, sliding. Wow, it's all the way down to Aristi. We have 31 kilometers, around 45 minutes, I guess. Depends how fast we will drive. But we have enough time. Beautiful. Look at this house here, up here. Would you live here? Well, these two RVs are from I think Germany and Netherlands. Well, traveling around, nice place. We climbed the road up above Aristi, and on the other side of the ridge the landscape changed. It's as it used to be with the forests and the mountains, but it's not as rocky as it was before. This is the Tsumarka area, and we have 20 kilometers to go. Well, 11 minutes to go. It's not so nice. This is the reason why I'm almost not filming. I'm really concentrated in riding and you know, tucking into me. I have some wet spots already under the layers of rain protection. Well, this is the best way to improve my protection. And my gloves are already soaked with water, so next stop I'm going to change to the winter gear. Now we are crossing one of the bridges here. I think this is also the Voidomatis River and the old bridges here of this area. Wow, pretty sight. Well, I guess we're gonna stop for a second. I look around. Nice. Welcome to Kipi. So we're gonna look for a spot to stop and rest and warm up a bit. I wouldn't mind coffee or some tea. Let's see, where is it? And I've been waiting up for my colleagues here. Woo, perfect. So Shlomi is the one with the hazard lights on. He's last. And Moshe is taking us on a side road, very nice one. And I'm glad I have the opportunity to film a bit. After a cup of nice warm chocolate and resting and regaining our strength, I think we have about an hour, but the route should be very special and nice as well, so I enjoy it. Well, tomorrow it's expected to be without rain. I do hope so, and then we will have our last day of off-road adventure. Made it almost to Metsovo. Wow. We are on our way to eat something. The way here was quite tricky. Well, nice and easy here. And look at the mountains here. Well, Metsovo is a really large town, famous. Look down there, the tunnels we just rode. We are all wet in this way or another. Well, this is a known touristic town here. Whew. Flowers, jewelry, souvenirs, whatever. Antiquities. Smaller? Okay. כולם באו. Well, here we are. מצובו. מה זה איפה? למטה. לא הייתי פה מלא זמן. וואו. Rest. Well, arrived at the hotel here in Metsovo. I have to set up the bikes for parking here on the left.